Today I've been running MSA 200C battery saw by Steel. I've got two of the 300 series batteries and the fastest charger, the 500 series charger. But my precision sharpener from Granberg quit on me, so I had the file sharpened today. I'm running through some eastern red cedar that's rotted down to 100% heartwood. These little boxes I've been punching out. I've done quite a few of them throughout the years. But these turned out real nice. These are going to actually be log planters at one of the next shows that I'm going to do.